Another option you have is to publish your data to a 3D PDF. So on the drafting tab, you'll see there's a create 3D PDF, and this will let somebody open up your project who doesn't have Business Center or a CAD program and can actually view this data in a 3D PDF document. So depending on what view you use will depend on whether your data comes out is 2D or 3D. So you want to select the 3D view and then select the create 3D PDF. You can set the folder path and other information. I'm going to click OK, and it's going to take the data that I have displayed. So anything that you have displayed that you want to show up in the 3D PDF, make sure you turn it on. It's going to open up a simple, or just basically Adobe Acrobat Reader. You'll see that there's an option here to trust the document. You'll see there's some tools over here. I'm just going to minimize this, and I'm going to zoom out so that I can see the document. You'll notice that there are some tools here that you can side view, front view, top view, but if you click in the view here, it's going to enable the 3D information capabilities. So I can zoom in with my wheel mouse, I can left click and I can orbit, I can right click and I can get to certain tools like rotate, spin, fly, walk through, and even do a measure. There's some other properties that you can control as well. If you want to also go into the model itself, you can go to the layers and you can turn off some of the data. Like if you want to turn off the contour lines, you can do that. If you were to turn off maybe some of the other data, like the contour lines that we have here, again, you can turn those on and off. Some other things you can do, like set the color or the lights. You can apply a background color, change the background color. So a bunch of things you can do in this PDF, but the nice thing about this PDF is that the person you're sending your model to for review purposes, again, even to measure information. So maybe they want to measure, the length of this field, they can do so. You can see the units is in meters, but if I right click and go to display units and set it to feet, then you'll see that it's actually showing up in feet now. So a lot of things you can do with this, and easily publish out and share your project data with somebody who doesn't have Business Center.